Hi guys, let's answer question number 1 here. A cone with a height of 6 centimeters and a diameter of 4 centimeters is sitting on top of a cylinder with a height of 5 centimeters. What is the total volume of the shape? So this time we have two shapes, a cone and a cylinder. We need to find the volume of each and then add them together. So the most important thing on this problem is to label it correctly. So the cone has a height of 6 centimeters. I'm going to put that right there. So that line going straight up, that dotted line in the middle of that cone is the height. It has a diameter of 4 centimeters. So that means the full way across is 4. Well, halfway across would be half of 4, which is 2. So it has a radius of 2 centimeters. We don't need the diameter. And the cylinder has a height of 5 centimeters. I'm going to put that over here. Now it would have the same radius as the cone. See how it's right on top of it? So this time we have two shapes. So I'm going to make sure I write the two names. So I'm going to put cone over here. And I'm going to put cylinder over here. That way I don't get it mixed up. All right, so cone is going to be 1/3 times pi times r squared times h, right? And cylinder is just going to be pi times r squared times h. All right, so once we got both of our formulas, let's plug them in. So the cone is going to be 1/3 times, we're going to approximate pi, 3.14 times the radius, which was 2, to the second power, times the height of the cone, which was 6. Don't get it mistaken with the height of the cylinder. The height of the cone was 6. So if I type all that, I'm not going to show it, but if I typed all that in my calculator, I'd get 25.1 when I round. So the cone has a volume of 25.1 centimeters cubed. All right, let's go over to the cylinder. So it's going to be 3.14. The same radius times 2 to the second power. But this time the height of the cylinder, that's 5, right? Times 5. So again, I'm not going to show that, but if you type all that in your calculator, you're going to get 62.8. So 62.8 centimeters cubed. And they want the total volume. So if I add those two together, I get 87.9 centimeters cubed. Final answer. Hope that helped.